According to information published by FarsNews on January 25, 2025, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy, IRGCN, unveiled the Kosar 222 missile during the Great Prophet 19 inches naval exercises. Held in the Persian Gulf, the drills showcased the missile's ability to engage and destroy simulated enemy aircraft, solidifying its role as a key component of Iran's growing defense capabilities. The Kosar 222, an advanced surface-to-air missile with a range of 17 kilometers, has been installed on Ashura-class and Zolfaghar-class vessels. Rear Admiral Alireza Tangsiri, IRGCN commander, highlighted the missile's precision and reliability, emphasizing its ability to counter aerial threats effectively. Joins the shorter-range Kosar 200, which operates at distances of 5 to 7 kilometers, offering a layered defense system for Iran's naval fleet. The Kosar series of missiles are entirely domestically produced by Iran and are known for their advanced guidance systems. The Kosar 222 is believed to employ radar and optical tracking technologies, making it resistant to jamming and other electronic countermeasures. This ensures the missile's precision in targeting hostile aerial threats, even under challenging operational conditions. The Kosar series has evolved significantly over time, encompassing various models tailored for specific roles. Initially designed as lightweight, short-range, anti-ship missiles, the Kosar series includes models such as Kosar 1, Kosar 2, and Kosar 3, in addition to the air defense-focused Kosar 200 and 222 variants. These missiles have been developed for land-based and naval applications, underscoring their versatility. The Kosar Cruise Missile Series is a product of Iran's Aerospace Industries Organization under the Ministry of Defense. Designed to target surface vessels, these missiles are known for their accuracy and effectiveness. Equipped with radar and television guidance systems, they offer flexibility in a wide range of operational scenarios. The unveiling of the Kosar 222 demonstrates Iran's commitment to advancing its indigenous defense technologies amidst regional tensions and international sanctions. Its ability to counter aerial threats enhances Iran's naval capabilities, ensuring the protection of critical assets in the Persian Gulf. Integrated onto fast attack craft like the Ashura and Zolfaghar-class vessels, the Kosar 222 marks a significant leap in Iran's homegrown defense tech, designed to counter drones, helicopters, and low-flying threats in the region's tense waters. We'll explore its capabilities, how it stacks up against rival systems like the Patriot and Panzer S-1, and what its debut means for Iran's military strategy amid sanctions and regional rivalries. From its anti-ship roots to its air defense evolution, discover the story behind this missile and its role in Iran's asymmetric naval doctrine. The Great Prophet 19 exercise also featured other advanced technologies, including eye-equipped drones, smart torpedoes, and sophisticated mine-laying techniques. This comprehensive display of military strength signals Iran's readiness to defend its maritime borders while sending a deterrent message to adversaries.